stop looking for contacts if you are just getting started with importation. Like, you literally don't need any contacts. So don't let anybody to scam you by telling you that they want to sell like a contact for you for like 20,000, 50,000, or 100,000, because you actually don't need it. Yes, you don't need any contact. So let me tell you how contacts work. So you see all these contacts all these people sell to you, they also look for them on 1688 or Pindodo. So like, they do exactly what I am about to show you. So that is what they did, and they have those contacts. So it is like, it will literally take you like less than 5 minutes, and you will literally do it, guys. And there's also another thing. So there's actually some view contacts you can also buy, but I'll still say you don't need any contacts yet, because all these suppliers, like, they have MOQ. So what do I mean by MOQ? MOQ is minimum order quantity. So like, some supplier might sell like minimum of 50 or 100. So if you are just starting out, so you don't need all that, because if you don't have any money to buy like 100 pieces or 200 pieces, in fact, there are some contact, like there are some suppliers, like their MOQ is like 1,000. So if you can't buy 1,000 pieces, they won't sell to you. So now tell me, if you buy a contact for 50,000 naira, and the supplier is telling you that the MOQ is 1,000 pieces, and you don't have up to that, isn't that a loss? Of course it's a loss. So one thing is that, you see all these people, they do group buy. So like, they might buy like 50 from this person, another person will buy like 50, another person will buy like 200, another person will buy like 300. So all the other conjoined together, that is how they meet all this MOQ. So even though like their price will be way cheaper than people on maybe like 1688 or Pindodo, so the price might be actually cheaper because you are buying large quantity. So anytime you are buying large quantity of products, guys, so your price will reduce. So that's just how it works. So for you now that you are not buying up to 1,000 pieces, so what's the essence of you buying any contacts? You don't need it, guys. So just go on 1688 or Pindodo or any marketplace you use, guys, and find your supplier there. It is like very easy. Just check the years the supplier have been on their app. So that's just it, guys. So a lot of people, like, they're scared, like, oh, they don't know how to look for legit supplier. So I'll just tell you these things so that you can know how to look for a legit supplier and you don't need any contact. So the first thing is that look for the years the supplier have been on the website, guys. So now let's say you are buying on 1688. So one thing is that always check the years. So if the supplier have been on the website for minimum of 4 years, then you can buy from those type of supplier. So that is one thing, guys. So don't buy for supplier that are like that have been on the website for like 3 years, 2 years, or 1 year. Don't try it, guys, if you don't want to regret it. So don't try it. Always buy for minimum of 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, like 4 years upward, guys. Then you are safe. So after that, another thing you should also look for is that, so when you check the years of the supplier on the website, so click on it and check the store of the supplier, guys. So if the supplier listed another stuff, like, what do I mean by another stuff? Like another product in that niche. So let's say the supplier is selling face cap. So if you check the store and the supplier have different face caps, like over 50, 100, like 200 different face cap, then you should buy from those type of supplier, because those shows that they are in business, like that is what they do. So they are in that business for a long time, so they know they are not like just trying to buy something and sell it off like in no time. So because all those people, like, they inflate price, but you see all these people that have like 100 or 200 product listed on 1688 or any other website, guys, so those shows that that is their business, so that is what they do. So those type of people, their price will even be cheaper, and they are not scams, because like they have a lot of product on their store. So take note of that. Check the years and check the store if the supplier listed a lot of product on the store. So another thing you should also look for is comments. So if the product have like 100 comments, 50 comments, like 200 comments, 300 comments, then you are probably buying from a good supplier if all these three things align. So if all these three things align, then the supplier is good. So and one thing is that don't just check like this supplier have on the comment. No, click on the comment and open the comment. Like just scroll and just read. If there are like different stuff, maybe some people write like thank you, maybe in China, guys, because they literally like write reviews in China, in Chinese, sorry. So always read the review. Like you might not even understand, but you know that this thing is different from another person's comment. This comment is different from another person's comment. You understand? So maybe this first person writes, thank you very much, I love my product. The second person might write, oh, the products are nice. You can see those are like different comments. It is not like thank you very much, thank you very much, thank you very much. Like if you say like same thing, like same write-up, like 20 or 30 same write-up, then don't buy from that supplier, guys. Even though those first two things align, don't buy from the supplier, because those type of supplier, they buy reviews, and a supplier that buy reviews are scary to buy from, guys, because you don't want to get scammed. Because those type of supplier now, like they are buying fake reviews on their store, so they are sketchy. So anything, like if you find anything sketchy, don't buy from the supplier. So that's just it. So if you can check all these things I mentioned now, I promise you, you won't need to buy any contacts. And what these contacts and you looking for supplier for yourself on 1688, like the difference is like very few, like very tiny. So let's say a contact now, so the MOQ of that supplier for the contact is 1000, and the normal price on what's it called on 1688 is 15 yuan. So the supplier that sells like 1000 MOQ, the price might be like 13 yuan or like 14 yuan. And on 1688 you can actually buy from a supplier that literally that can sell you like one piece for like 15 yuan. You can see, so 14 yuan or 13 yuan to 15 yuan, you can see it is not like too much of a difference. So that's just it. So you don't need any supplier if you are starting from scratch. Then after your years of experience, if you have gathered momentum, you have a lot of people that you sell to or you buy from, guys, then you can start using contacts, guys. So you can just like post on your status or anywhere you sell, guys. You can just say that, oh, I have these things for sale, so 1000 pieces. So if you're interested, DM. So after that, like if you have gathered all their money together, then you can just use your contacts now, because if you use your contacts now, you will make more money. So that's just it, you will make more money, because if you buy on 1688, you'll be buying it for 15 yuan. But if you buy from your contact, guys, you'll be buying it for 13 yuan or 14 yuan. So that's like extra 1 yuan gain on each product. And if you calculate that by 1000, that's a lot of money. So that's just how it works, guys. So if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section below, guys. And thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time.